The student desk has an online booking service for appointments. You should go to the University of the Algarve's website at www.ualg.pt/en and then click on the student desk in the top right-hand corner. To make your appointment, select the option Schedule an appointment. You should then click the option you want, taking into account the timetable. Appointment to Penha Campus, appointment to Gambelas Campus, or an appointment for the Higher Education Access Office at the Penha Campus. If your appointment is related to the International Relations and Mobility Office, you can make an appointment for Gambelas Campus. For example, let's book an appointment for Penha Campus. Select the day and time you want to attend and enter the details requested. Click on Reservar. Your booking has been made. You will receive an email confirming your booking. On this page, you can view your booking. You can also reschedule, cancel the booking, or make a new request. Also, the day before your booking, you will receive a reminder in your email account.